for this Flipgrid, I want you to read your book for 20 minutes, and after reading, I want you to think about, was there a problem in your book and how the main character reacted to that problem. So in our story, Little Flap Learns to Fly, the problem is that Little Flap is afraid to fly. He wants to fly to get a worm with his friends, Fluff and Tuff, but he is afraid to fly. So that is his reaction to the problem, which is flying. And in the end, his friends help him fly by telling him he can depend on them. So in your book, decide what is the problem. Is there a dog that has run away and the main character, the dog's owner, has to go find the dog? I want to know about the problem in your book and how the main character, who the story is about, how they respond or react to that problem. Do they face the problem? Do they ask for help? I want to know all about the book you read. Good job, you guys.